In a world full of surprises, humanity thrived in every bright color and sound. Children giggled and played, spreading laughter like confetti in a gentle breeze. Teachers led with kindness, sharing wisdom like precious treasures with eager minds. Artists painted dreams across skies, inspiring all with their vibrant imagination. Scientists explored wonders, uncovering secrets of nature with curious eyes. Neighbors shared warm embraces, building bonds stronger than any towering building. Gardens blossomed with flowers, reflecting nature's beauty and humanity's care. Technology advanced harmoniously, bridging gaps and uniting distant hearts. Families gathered together, cherishing moments filled with love and warmth. Communities celebrated differences, embracing what made them all unique. Music filled the air, singing songs of hope and endless possibilities. Children's stories ignited dreams, filled with adventures in magical lands. Humanity cherished the earth, nurturing it like a beloved companion. Friends lifted one another, creating a chain of endless support and joy. Nature and people danced together, creating a symphony of life and wonder. Even in challenges, humanity stood strong, united by love and hope.